And this is a part nobody tells you. The hardest part in agentic engineering is not making the AI to write code. It is easy for an AI to write the code, but building the system around it is hardest part. For example, how does your AI know your code or system? Which tools does it have access to your system? And sometimes, even sometimes, not sometimes, many times, AI sounds more confident even if it doing complete wrong things.
Yeah, I heard that most of the time, and when my colleagues also told that he is very confident in writing the wrong code.
Yes, yes, most of the time it do completely wrong things. It acts like it is 100% confident this will work, but many times it will do things wrong. So this is a part. So the real engineering work today is building a safety system around the AI. We first build the system for our internal team. Later we bring it up in 50% of our product.
That's a big claim. Let me understand it properly. Before that, let me start the show. Hi everyone, this is GainWix. I am Sivasurian, co-founder and COO at GainWix. And in this show, I act as a non-engineer in this room. And with me, we have our lead engineer, Shaifullah.
Hi.
Yeah. Now we're going to ask all the curiosity questions everyone having for their engineering team. Today's video is about how our engineering teams use agentic software engineering in their day-to-day life and how they are productive. Okay. Let me ask the first question. Hi Saifullah.
Hi, Susari.
I have seen many of the things. You have been very productive, and our team is very productive on everything. And what will be the first basic question I will be asking is what is agentic software engineering?
Yeah, so before answering that question, I can say that what is in the agentic software engineering is.
Okay.
So people thinking that agentic software is making AI to write the code, but it is not actually the agentic software engineering. What I mean is people picturing like if they are imagining like if I write something and if it is an if it do the autocomplete like we have in IDE. So if you write some command and will give our generate sample code, sample snippet. So people think it is an agentic engineering. Okay, this will boost our productivity. And some people think if I go to the ChatGPT or other LLMs and paste and has some questions and it will simply generate a code snippet and people usually copy that and put in the code base and
Yeah.
people think this is an agentic engineering, but these are not the complete agentic engineering.
Maybe they will call it as a vibe coding, right? I just heard of the word also.
Yes, many people think this is a vibe coding, and there is a huge misconception in vibe coding. People do agentic software in vibe coding also, but they don't know how should they do the vibe coding properly. Yes, like I said, the previous thing I mentioned is just a chatbot,
Yeah.
but agentic work is different. Agentic is when you give an agent
Okay.
the right tool, the right role it need to perform, the right context, the right goal. These are the things you need to feed to an agent, and it should act based on those.
Okay.
For example, instead of you just given a LLM a prompt, write me this function, you just deliberately give the AI agent to what it actually should do. For example, think like if you got an error in about page, let's say your paper page is not loading, you can tell the AI agent, so hey, look at this. This is not working. This page is not working, and the agent has his goal. His goal is to resolve the issue. So it reads the file, it run the test, it analyze every edge case scenarios based on the instructions, and it will come up with answer with an explanation why it did this and why the cause of this error. So you can get a complete workflow done by an agent.
Okay.
But in LLMs, I mean, what are LLMs is people thinking is it is an AI, but it is an LLM. People just given a function, but they need to do the things the agent does. So this is a difference you can see between the chatbot and our agentic AI system. Yes, it performs a sequence of actions. We call it as a agent in the loop. So what the meaning is, agent do the sequence of steps you feed to. Okay. Like in our development, if we feed our development agent, it will first analyze our file. It will think what it is a better solution for it. It asks the user for permissions. So hey, these are the things I'm going to do. Can I do this? And people who review the system will just review it. Okay, this is a better solution, and AI will give recommendations, and based on it we can just brainstorm with an AI and come up with a better solution. And AI, our agent will actually start to write the code, and finishes it. Okay. Yes. See, in today's era, in agentic engineering, AI is not just a tool. It is more like a junior developer. What you say to a junior developer is do these things, analyze this, read this. You have to do these things and come up with me once after these things finishes. So you're giving the exact same instructions to an AI. It is more like a workmate, a junior workmate for us. So it will do all the things for us, and it will come as once it finish its work. So because of it, our productivity is getting boosted, because writing thousands of lines is getting reduced, because I personally write a lot of lines before this AI. After this AI, my only work is to think. Okay. The only work is I need to think. Other things, the writing code, testing it, running it, all the things is done by AI. Okay. And this is how we in our team do developments.
Okay, so yeah, that's a very good point. And I have seen many news and many articles that they'll be saying that AI going to replace software engineering. What do you think about that? Because you have worked on in a separate thing. I mean, like with don't I mean didn't using any vibe coding or any tools, writing your manual coding, and now you have shifted entirely into an agentic engineering. So yeah, how you feel and what will be your answer?
AI will not eliminate the complete software engineering or developer roles, because AI, like I said in the first, AI can make a lot of mistakes. So it will 100% sure it will be confident, but it will do wrong things. Yeah, correct. Only a developer can understand what it is actually doing without reviewing. Like previously I said, people just do vibe coding, just accept everything the AI is giving. Correct. Yeah. But that is not a vibe coding. People should review what the AI is currently doing. It make mistakes. So there should be an developer who actively review what the AI is doing, and based on that, both here writing the code is from for the AI job. Thinking is our developer role. Yeah. So these are the two things I want to say. With these two things, we can boost our productivity.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's a very good point. You have been worked with many engineers from our team. What is before and after the AI comes?
Yes, before AI, each developer has their own way of using the AI. For example, one person will just open a browsing window and copy paste everything, their code snippets to the chatbots, and they get a response and paste it back. Okay. And then another person use it in an IDE, and another person write manually, not even go to an AI and ask for the code. He believes himself as a very good coder, and they will write manually their little scripts.
Okay.
And because of this, we get an inconsistency among our code base. For example, if the first person I said, if we go to an chatbot and ask for the code snippet, it will give some code snippet, but it is totally different from the existing system what we have built. For example, we have document in a different way.
Okay.
Like we usually practice a lot of documentation and also conventions in our in our applications. AI doesn't know that, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yes, AI doesn't know that. What I will do is give us a general code snippet. We will just copy paste it, and each developer, if they do like this, then the code base will not look structured. Each one have their own files. The project entire project will get messy, and it is difficult for other developers or other readers to get to see the project and understand it.
Okay.
And if we integrate another AI agent, it will also find sees our project, and he thinks this is so messy. Okay, then I can also write a messy code.
Okay.
So these types of things happen in this part. The first thing I want to say is inconsistency.
Okay. And also, you have said, I mean, you have mentioned about, I mean, in last week also, I mean, sorry, before we using this method, you have said that cost efficient, and we also have been sitting and figuring out. And I also bashed at you why this much of cost in using AI.
Yes, the cost effective. I can say that is a second key point before and after. So what happened is one of our developer he have no idea about the cost, so he just hitted on LLM API for too long, and then in a single day we get a build quite a quite cost amount.
Yeah,
So
I remember the invoice.
yes, because of only that Google that thing, we get to know that there is an overcasting going somewhere in our system. So we stopped it.
Yeah.
So you see, if people don't get aware and developers don't get the proper cost usage, they will just play around it. They will just mess up things. So they will burn the tokens, and you have seen there is a recent news, and CEO was crying because their employees, their employees,
Yeah,
use so much of tokens, right? So this is also one of the inconsistent.
okay. And yeah, and also you have said that about um, the before and after of our engineers, like copy pasting and everything. And now you have just mentioned access and cost. And also, I've been thinking of like for a such a you have to, I mean, for every time you have been copying the same prompt for each rules and structures, it will cause amnesia, like, right?
Yes, amnesia. That's a good word. I can take it as a third point. Uh, yes, like I said, LLM have a minimum context window.
Yeah.
So if we doing a long run job, we need to frequently switch back to every sessions in the chat. So every time we need to give an instruction, hey, have this role, you need to do these things, and give run this test before giving me the output.
Okay.
And generate this documentation, write these uh, code reviews. We have to give this same exact thing for each and every sessions.
Okay.
So they don't remember what happened in the previous things. It just forgets, simply forgets.
Okay.
So it is in our hand to, in every session we need to copy paste, give the agent its memory. So it is also an amnesia, and it also burns our tokens, right? So concluding this, there are three pain points I see.
Yeah.
inconsistency, like I said,
Yeah. Yes.
amnesia, like the word you defined, and the third one I can say we can say is cost effective.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah. And
The-
yeah, and yeah, now I've seen so much productive and cost management, everything. How you have been build? I mean, have you built any internal thing or anything for managing all those steps?
we build on our tools to explicitly resolve these issues. That is what we're going to see in the later of this podcast.
Okay, this is the part I really want to understand. You have said that we have built our own plugins using the Claude model. What exactly it do and how exactly it works?
Yes, we use Claude anthropic models.
Yeah.
Specifically, we use Claude Code.
Okay.
It is an agentic tool for our development.
Okay, this is the part I really want to understand. You have said we have built our own plugins using Claude plugins, and how it exactly work and what exactly it will do.
Okay, let me start from the first. So we use Claude anthropic models.
Okay.
In that, especially Cloud Code, it is a agentic tool which we use for our development.
Okay.
Anthropic, our Cloud Code lets us to attach a plugin, plugin in it.
Okay.
So plugin is a kind of thing you can attach to an AI. It is a set of capabilities that you are just inserting it to an Cloud Code.
Okay.
Think of it as like an if a new joinee coming to our office, and we are giving him we are him giving them a laptop, a pre-configured laptop.
Okay.
Let's say the role of them, what all the configurations, what all the tools we need to install for them. What I want to say is the things that he wants to do it manually.
Okay.
Those things are pre-installed on that laptop. So we just giving the pre-installed laptop to the new joinee, and he can have the full context.
Okay.
Our code base, what he need to do, what are the constraints, everything he have by just getting that one laptop. So plugin is just like this.
Okay. Yeah.
We are just inserting our own configuration set of capabilities to one cloud code so that it can understand what they are.
Okay.
So I can say there are some important things in specific in the plugins. For first thing is slash commands.
Okay.
Second one is skills. Third one is sub agent, and the fourth one is MCP.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And yeah, can we go one by one? What will be? I mean, what is the slash commands and what we are using?
Yes. We have discussed about the graveyard, right? Graveyard is like uh, when a developer need to prompt an AI agent.
Yeah.
Usually, what we do in previous times, we write 5 to 10 lines of prompt, a default prompt, and every time we go to a chat GPT before this agentic AI,
Okay.
we go to a chat GPT, we just paste that 5 lines of prompt, and we get the exact result what we needed.
Yeah.
So it's not just 5 lines; it is one prompt. We have tens of tens of 50s of prompts. So it is like a graveyard.
Okay.
So to resolve this, there is a thing called slash commands. Slash commands are nothing but the instructions that is in the shortened form. For example, you may have 100 lines of instruction.
Okay.
And by using a slash and the keyword, you can insert that 100 lines of code in your prompt.
Okay.
For example, you have an instruction, testing instruction.
Okay.
Do follow this framework for doing these tests for this framework. So you can write it at a separate file, and you can give Cloud Code a slash command like a slash uh, test. So it will replace those contents in that file into our prompt. So it is basically killing our graveyard of our prompts just by giving a slash commands.
Okay. So yeah, yeah. Let me explain. I mean, what I have understood. Just like it's like a predefined prompts and instructions that we need to do a particular work, right? Instead of each time copy pasting the whole thing, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, so yeah, now I'm clear of what the slash comments is. So it will, we don't need to each time write so many lines of things, and each time we will add or remove some points. Yeah, it will be gain or I mean pros and cons. Okay, now then the next thing is we discussed about skills. Yeah, yes. What exactly skills are?
Yes, we come coming to the skills.
Okay.
Skills are the folder of instructions. For example, you want to do a specific kind of task. Uh, for example, you are writing a React code and you want to write a component for it. You need to give the instructions for follow these instructions to write this component. Or another example in Rails can have that MVC architecture. It needs to follow that particular instructions.
Okay.
To when it is writing an API or writing a view or writing a model. And another example, if we want to do a migration, in that there also we have an instruction to be followed.
Okay.
So you can see here, instruction is a most common part in these things.
Okay.
We cannot just give all these instructions all at once. Uh, like I said before, there's some context window. Yeah, if you feed every instruction in one single prompt, it will be a huge problem for an AI to understand it.
Okay.
It context
bloated, right?
yes,
Yeah,
bloated.
okay.
Like we said, amnesia and
Yeah.
before, those things coming here. AI get confused, and AI just don't know what exactly you need to do. So, for example, if it is doing a front end part and you are giving instructions for a back end, so it will just get confused. So, skills solve these problems. Skills get injected. Skills is just an instructions written on the file.
Okay.
Those get inserted only when it is needed. If you're writing, if you're agent writing a front end part, the front end skills is getting injected to it. Okay. If it is writing a backend, the backend skill is getting will get injected to it. So this way we solve many problems. The context window, the amnesia. We also by doing this we can cut cost also. Okay. So this is what skill is.
Yeah, I mean, I do like skills because for my, I mean, for building the Excel sheets and for some documents for myself, I just created the skill, but not the way you have said. But yeah, it's a thanks for that particular information. And yeah, the next part is you have said about sub agents, right? What exactly they are?
Yes, in here also there is a major drawback of context window.
Okay.
Like you see, an agent doing all kind of things, development, testing, reviewing.
Yeah.
A have only limited memory, limited context window.
Okay.
If you ask AI to do all three at once, it will definitely get confused.
Okay.
So we need to split the things. So different agents do different things. So we don't have to do it manually. Okay. If we just have another agent, a helper agent, you can think of it as a helper agent for our main agent. I just give our command to our agent. Our main agent will delegate the work to the sub agent.
Okay.
For example,
a particular work.
Yes, a particular work. For example, if you want, we frequently use is a reviewer agent. So what this reviewer agent will do is our main agent will write a complete code code test, complete all these things. Our main agent will do, and it delegate the work to a sub agent. So hey, this is my code, review all those things, and come back once you have finished reviewing, and I will resolve these things. So yes, we have here the two agents. One is a main agent and another one is our reviewer agent. Yeah. So by doing this, both the things have different context. Our review agent don't need to think about writing a code. You just need to think about how the code should be, just reviewing the code. and our developer code in the main code don't need to think about the reviewing the code after it is written. Okay. So the way it is delicate is we call it sub agents.
Okay. So yeah, so you have been segregating the big task into a particular agents, right? So they will work on their work and come up to the main agent, and they will hey, I'm just finished this work, and yeah, then he will be going to a reviewer or some tester, and it's like a chef, right? An example.
Yes, we can head chef and the assistant chef.
Yeah.
Doing things. The head chef will cook the main dish, and the assistant chef will help cooking the main dish, like that.
Okay. So yeah, by doing this, we have we maintaining the the context and this memory, right?
Yes.
So we don't reach its limit.
Yes. We not making the AI to hallucinate itself.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I just saw that many of agents have been hallucinating due to its own iteration and many things doing in a one single agent. Okay. Yeah. I just get a clear idea of what a sub agent is, and yeah, and also you just said the last thing about MCP. What it is? It is particularly about Anthropic, or else it's a general thing.
MCP is a general thing. It is first listed by an Anthropic, and it is widely used by other agents too.
Oh, okay.
So it has become a common thing for all the AI agents. So what is MCP is a model context protocol.
Okay.
So LLM has a brain.
Okay.
It knows everything. You ask for it, but it don't do certain things. For example, if you ask to call this API, check out this API for the weather, and give me the result, it won't do that because it only capability is to write the text. Okay. That is what LLM is.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, we are just giving our AI LLM a capability to do things.
Okay.
If, for example, if there is a tool between the LLM, our weather API, if there is a tool means we can just connect both our weather API and on our AI tool, right?
Okay.
We are just connecting our AI with external tools. If we directly call a API, or we directly call a database directly from LLM, there will be no standard way.
Okay.
So they build something called as an MCP.
Okay.
So it is a protocol where every agent should follow it. And if a AI agent want to get an data from outside of the context, it will call any tool using our model context protocol, and will it will go to the MCP server and will generate the content, and it will come back to us.
Okay.
And now our LLM have the context of what the user is asked. By using this, there is one additional thing.
Okay.
LLM is trained on the data. Uh, LLM is trained on the previous data. So current information is don't know nothing. Okay. So if you ask what is the time today, what is the time currently now in India, if you don't have any access to it.
Okay.
So if you give a tool access, it will have the ability to check for a time currently right now. Okay. By doing this, it can have the information what is currently going on right now.
Okay. So yeah. So you are just saying that we have some middle layer, something like a gateway layer, which where we can get the current information or a particular information from out other sources to my AI, or the AI I'm using right now. So and yeah, and also you have just said the tools we have been using. So the MCP is just like a tool which we use to get the current data and all those stuffs. So our AI knows, what the current thing we're doing and everything. Okay.
We are giving the ability to access the tools.
Okay.
We are giving an AI to ability to access the external tools. Okay. That is what an
yeah,
is.
So we have to explicitly mention that these tools should have these results, or else it will be thinking and fetching the correct data from each
Yes, we need to tell an AI we have this access to this MCP tools, and there is a whole different protocol, a whole different architecture for the MCP.
Okay.
So it will just call the MCP server, and it will get the tools. What are the tools it have? So yes, this is how our LLM get what are the tools it get access to.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now I have clearly understand all those things you have explained about slash commands, skills, subagents, and MCP. And yeah, I have a clear idea of the whole thing you have explained. Can you just give me a walkthrough about the things we are doing?
Yes, I can give you a walkthrough. We are building our GainWix Studio desktop app.
Oh yeah, okay.
I will see you. I will give you how we use our plugins to develop a feature in our.
Oh, so you have been using our own plugins to build our own apps, right?
Yes,
Oh yeah, that's wonderful.
we are building plugins to develop things. First, we build it for ourselves. Then we publish those things in our products too.
Oh, I mean in our gaming studio.
Yes.
Oh yeah, okay. Yes, Shaifullah, you have explained everything about the Claude plugins like slash commands and MCP and skills, agents, everything. Can you just give me a walkthrough or a live demo of currently you have been working?
Yes, actually, I can give you on that. Currently, we are working on a GainWix AI app.
Okay.
So I will give you a walkthrough how we do our development using our Agentic AI development method.
Okay.
So can you see?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. As you can see, we have one plugin called GainWix AI Experience.
Okay.
We use this plugin for development. So as I explained, what is a plugin here.
Okay.
So I will just go and install the plugin in our working directory. So you can see this is my working directory GainWix AI app.
Okay.
And this is a command for installing the plugin in our Claude session.
Okay.
So I have to explain many things here. We have used Claude desktop. In here we have various functionalities like Claude chat.
Okay.
We have coworks. We have Claude Core here. So why we use desktop instead of a terminal? We have many functionalities, many UX in here.
Okay.
By using this, we can run our routine task, or we can run a co-work and handle it remotely using our mobile phone. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. This is about short description of our Claude desktop. So go on and install the plugin. First, I need to go into the Claude session.
Okay.
Yes, I'm inside the Claude session.
Okay.
So I go on install the plugin. It shows successfully added the marketplace GainWix
Okay.
So we just
So now
added.
you have installed our plugin, right?
No, it is not installed the plugin. We just added the marketplace. It is like a repository. You can take an example
inside
of
Claude.
inside Claude.
Okay. Okay.
So
Yeah. Fine. Okay.
we need to install an plugin. We need to first define the marketplace.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Then only we can install the plugin.
Okay.
So this is the second command to install the plugin.
Okay.
Okay, it asks me some few questions. You can configure it based on your needs. So I will just choose for this repo only. You can configure for user scope, or you can configure for all collaborators in this repository.
Oh, okay.
So multiple person no need to initialize it again and again.
Okay.
For this repo, I will go on choose for local scope.
Okay.
Okay. And this is for our deployment configuration. For this current demo, I think we don't need this.
Okay.
So I will just save the configuration, and you can see here installation. The plugin installation is completed.
Okay.
And it's showing me to run a reload plugin.
Okay.
This is a command for applying changes. Whatever the plugin changes has been done, we need to uh, refresh the plugin.
Okay. So it will restart our plugin also.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now it's reloading, right? Reloading plugins. Okay.
Yes, you can see here we just install our plugin and reload the plugin to make.
Okay. So in your plugin itself, it comes the 22 skills and agents and hook and everything, right?
Yes.
It's a fully packed plugin.
This is a whole bunch of package. You can just install it and you have everything, slash commands, agents, hooks, everything.
Okay.
Yes. This is only for set up the plugin. So we can move to our Claude desktop here.
Okay.
So I'm started a new session by clicking new section here. So and set up my repository here. You can see GainWix AI app.
Okay.
And okay, that we start with our GX command.
Okay.
So GX command stands for GainWix. GX for GainWix.
Okay.
So these commands specific to our plugin we just installed.
Okay.
So it will be only visible to us, not to the other Claude users. If they want to use these commands, they need to install our plugins.
Okay.
So I will start with the GX. Let's see what it gives.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, it is giving some bunch of commands. GX help command, GX init, GX about, GX in, GX GCP deploy. Okay. So these are the list of commands we have in our this plugin.
Okay.
So I will tell you what these commands one by one.
Okay. So you have been using these commands to automate your workflow, right? For developing and doing testing.
Yes.
Okay.
This is used by everyone in our development team.
Okay.
For doing our tickets.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Before this, first command we need to give is GX init, which will initialize our repository.
Okay.
So I'll just hit enter and tell you what it does.
Okay.
Okay. After this, the Claude will have the context to. Wait a minute. I will always okay. It will create some bunch of files called actions.md.
Okay.
Before this, it will create a about.md.
Okay.
In that, we have one brief description, a detailed description of what this project is.
Okay.
It contains all the things related to the project.
Okay.
So if you don't have the about.md, what this command will do is it will ask you questions interactively. What project are you going to do?
Oh, okay.
Why it is it?
So it's like a question and answer session.
Yes, it is a question and answer session.
Okay.
Claude will ask you interactively, okay, like who this product is for, why are you building this? Okay. So on these project specific questions. Okay. In depth. Okay. So that Claude have the full context. What is the product? What this project is for? Okay. So it won't ask you again and again in between the development process. Okay. So you're going to write one specific file called about.md. In that it asks everything related to the development till the deployment. Okay. So it is a full context of our project. Okay. Yes. Before okay, just always follow this. Okay. And we already have our about.md file. Okay. So it is easy for Claude to proceed to the next step. Okay. Yes, it will take some time.
Yeah, we will wait and see. So, I mean, you have done all those workflow and all those automation by yourself, right? You don't, We don't need to ask Claude each and every time, hey, this is about my project, this is the stack you need to do, and all that stuff. You have just done the whole thing as a bunch of, like a whole pack. So it automatically fetches from the about.md, and it start to do the
what I was
workflow.
saying.
Okay.
As it gave us a response. So it says stack data, what it is,
Okay.
and it planned the stack deploy /readme
Okay.
methods.
So yeah, it also says some scaffold. Can you explain about what it means?
Yes, these are the scaffold items that need to be in the project for our automation work to be done.
Okay.
For example, here actions items, backlog, changelog, changes. So I will explain one by one.
Okay.
So we are here. About.md is already here. Yes, like I said, your project PRD untouched. You should be untouched because we completed our about.md. So we did it like I said in the interactive questions section. Okay. And we changed it manually. Okay. It is all clear. It is 100% right. Okay. About.md. So after this, once we given a init, Claude will just return actions items, backlogs, okay, changelog md, okay, changes directory, okay, and a QA directory. Okay, QA in the sense for a testing purpose. Yes. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Okay. You can see it in here. Actually, it created a bunch of files here. Actions MD. Okay. I'm just listing the list of files in here. Okay. So these are the files just now Cloud creator. Okay. So about.md is our PRD, and after this PRD, our Cloud will just read this PRD and create an action items. We have one command for that. I will give that command so you can have the better idea. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Things are not. Okay. It is suggesting me to run the gx about command. Okay. I will run this command /gx about. Okay. What this command will do is it read the about.md file and create the action items. Okay. Action items or the list of things that needs to be done. Okay. For example, okay. It's like Epic, a product manager who writes, right? Yes. Like a story in a Jira. Okay. Okay, so it's now generating it, right? Yes. Reading about.md. Okay. Here you can see about.md is full PRT lines. Okay. There's asking me the question is already complete. From skip to seeding. I will skip to seeding because our about.md is already seeded, okay, already generated. So we need just to see the actions items. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So now based on your about.md, it's generating a whole bunch of things in the action items.md, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You can think action items is a list of tickets, okay, each need to be done. Oh, okay. Or each phases, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Okay. So in development we call it as an action items. Okay. What this command do is it read our about.md, okay, and it will make the action items one by one. So basically it is like tickets, okay, we need the Cloud need to work on. So it splits our entire knowledge into actionable items.
Okay. So from that it will do the each
task one by one. Okay. Each is a separate deployment unit. I mean a separate workable unit.
Okay.
I think it will take some time.
Okay.
It is saying about our MD is already completed.
Okay.
Then it is reading the remaining sessions. Okay. Not completed. Empty.
So we should
Okay.
make sure that about.md should cover all our product needs and why
Yes.
and what.
It is a PRD for our product.
Okay. Yeah, it's asking something like.
Yes, your about.md is already complete.
Okay.
Approve for planning PRD. Okay, I'm just going to skip the writing of the about.md because we already have written the about.md.
Okay.
We move to our building action items.
Okay.
You can see in here how many tokens it is taking for this command.
Oh, okay. So it thinks about the about.md file and write it clear and each actionable item. Okay. Like how our product manager do, right? In a Jira or any ticket.
Usually we have one ticket. Product manager will write a bunch of tickets, and each developer should will get assigned one ticket, and they will work on it.
Okay.
So it is like exactly like that.
Okay.
But here instead we make the AI to work on the tickets.
Oh, okay.
To be precise, it is an action item. Yes, it finished its task, and it is asking me to review the action items it has generated.
Oh,
so I can see it created action it updated action items with 112 changes.
Okay.
So yeah, we will go and review the changes it has made.
Okay.
So this is a file it is created before, and this is what it is generated.
Okay.
Updated now. So daemon core C1 the heart build first daemon create template super users. No data config layout. Okay.
Okay.
It is
So
for
it just
C1.
I mean, it just separated your big idea into actionable items, like
Yes,
each
small components.
Okay.
Yes. In the second component, we have GSCLI. First,
Oh, okay.
complete human interface free. So GSCLI it gave the commands. So we have our other components right here.
Okay.
So yes, the action items are well defined. So I need to just give a approve.
Okay.
So in case if you need to change in any action items, you can give revise.
Okay.
So I will just proceed approve.
Okay.
Yes, it is saying your backlog is seeded.
Okay.
Yes, and we have our actions about action items. Next, we need to fill our backlog. So right now it is default template.
Okay.
Right here, yes, you can see there is no backlogs down here.
Okay.
For that, we need to give other commands. And the other command also, it is suggesting me fill one at a time and automate the whole queue. Okay. I will explain this later. First, we go one by one.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So I will just give just GX next.
Okay. So this slash command will generate me a backlog, right?
Yes. What this GX next will do is it will pick up one action item.
Okay.
For example, our first C1 action item.
Okay.
It will pick this action item and define in more detail in the put it in the backlog. Oh, for example, you can in action item we defined it deliberately. without more additional information. But in backlog, it will be defined more detail.
Okay.
For example, how it should be, what the outcome is. So all the things in detail it will be in the backlog
Okay.
of single action item.
Okay.
So basically, next we'll pick one action item and put it in the backlog in the defined manner.
Okay. In the descriptive
way.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it's been generating it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's saying I will run the action GX next pipeline now.
Okay. So it's like a set of workflow, and it's currently in the GX next pipeline.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Now it is asking for another question,
Okay.
and it is like a safety precaution. It is asking me to there are uncommitted changes. How you should proceed planning.
Okay.
So I will. You can either commit it yourself, or you can give access to the Claude to commit itself.
Okay.
So I will proceed with commit baseline then plan.
Okay.
Yes. Now it is working. You can see the changes lively in your VS Code if you have one.
Embedding the baseline. Okay.
It is committing on a
So
push over.
So you have been committing and pushing it to the GitHub.
Yes.
Okay.
It is asking me for read these files.
Okay. Step 1. Okay. So just picking the top action item and just reading it.
Yes.
Okay.
Read top action item and Docker file and current backlog.
Okay.
Cloud have an sub agent which actually do these things.
Oh, okay.
The main agent will just sits here and ask the sub agent to go and read this file for me, action item, Docker file,
okay.
backlog, and come back to me once you have finished.
Okay.
So these are the sub agents.
Okay.
And we have another sub agent in our plugin. It is called a deployment agent. Okay. So after this development has once done, you can use that deployment agent to deploy in our Google Cloud.
Okay.
The single plugin for our entire development process.
Okay.
So it says step on capture, top item, daemon, skeleton plus user service. We have seen this on our
in the action item. Yeah.
Plan it into backlog, then advanced queue. It is editing the backlog right now. Yes. Now it is edited the backlog file.
Oh, okay.
I think we should have seen this.
Yeah, but it's still showing editing. Yeah. Yes. Maybe we can wait for a second.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's get updated. Both files updated.
Oh yes. It is saying both file updated. We skip items, tracks, no issues. Okay, items is to develop. Yes, we can want to verify it in our backlog file.
Okay.
You can see it in here. Previously, there is nothing below here. Now it has some instructions how this C1 to be developed.
Okay.
This thing we have seen in our action items.
Okay.
Daemon skeleton plus per user service. So it is an instruction for how to do this action item. So I will just read this.
Okay. So
Yes.
yeah, next, what will be the next step? Are we going to do?
Yes, once we verify it, we can move to the next steps.
Okay.
So you can see it is committed and pushed to our GitHub.
Okay.
You can see
Oh.
in our develop branch.
Okay.
So and it is telling me to run this command for the next
Okay.
in pipeline.
This is a gx-go.
Yes.
Okay.
I will hit enter and I will explain what it is. So we have now created this detailed description of the action item.
Okay.
But still we not touch the code, right?
Okay. Yeah.
For that only we use the gx-go command. What
Okay.
it will do is it takes this as an instruction and start to work on.
Okay.
So we have other functionality like after this go command, what it will do is it will write the code, it will test itself based on our configuration. It tests itself,
Okay.
it commit and it push, and
Okay.
it will create the PR to our main branch.
Oh.
So
Okay.
everything all it will done by itself.
Oh.
We just need
Okay.
to check the PRs.
Oh. Okay.
That's a pending task on ourselves.
We have. Okay.
Okay, asking for another permission.
Okay.
Okay. To change button code for Rust, we are using Rust for this. This our command is finished. Our go command is finished.
Okay.
After a long time, it took us around 25 minutes.
Oh.
So
Okay.
you can see here what are the changes it has made. We have this folder called changes. In this we have for each file what are the changes it has our agent has done. It will just record in here.
Oh. Okay.
So we can review what the changes it has made
Okay.
in this timeline. You can
Okay.
see
Yeah.
current date and current time in here. Okay, it is.
So you have a clear log of what had been changed, and what have been updated and created, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So it also give me GitHub issues, what
Oh.
issues has
Okay.
been created, and what pull request it has generated. So this
Okay.
pull request right now it is developed to it is fetched to our develop branch
Okay.
because this particular backlog has been clear, and I have to show this one here. You can see here now the backlog is empty.
Okay. So it has been done the task.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. And in the action items, you can see here on the C1 has been finished, and this is the next thing
Okay.
in the pipeline.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So did I need each time to run the go and next and go each time?
No, for this automation, as you can see, this is a long process. We have to manually wait for the go command to be finished, and then
Yeah.
we need to give the slash next command.
Yeah. Correct.
So we have two specific commands:
Okay.
slash gx sing and
Okay.
gx ping. So basically, what this thing is synchronize command. What this will do is the thing we have just did now slash gx next slash gs go. It will automate these things. Both
Oh,
the things
okay.
automate the flow, but a different manner.
Okay.
You can see in the action item, if you give slash sync, what it will do is it will check the our action items
Okay.
and pick one action item
Okay.
and put it in the backlog,
Okay.
and it will do the backlog itself.
Okay.
And after doing the task, it will commit and push, and our procedure
Okay.
pushing to the GitHub
Get up. Okay.
and raising the PR and reviewing the PR and develop it to the
Merging.
branch.
Okay.
It will do it synchronously one by
Okay.
one. It
Okay.
will pick each action item and do it one by one.
Okay. Like
Right?
in a sequential way.
Yes, in a sequential way.
Okay.
What this thing will do is it is a parallelized working. How this will work is some of these tasks don't need to be done in synchronous.
Okay.
Many of these tasks can be run in parallel.
Okay.
For example, there is no dependency between two specific tasks. So what it will do is it will check for the interaction item and then make a plan what are the things to be can be done in a parallel mode.
Okay.
So it picks all those parallel items and
Okay.
it continuously run all five parallel items
Oh, okay.
in a parallelized way. So we get the things done in a very faster way.
Okay.
So as far right now, I will just go for the sync command.
Okay.
Currently, we are building our version of one of our desktop app.
Okay.
So we need to give the Claude the command to only build the version one.
Okay.
So I will just give it. Um,
So we are planning only building the V1 version.
hmm.
Okay.
I will just give a build the V1 version for the next.
Okay. Okay. Then
Next, we need to
okay.
give our GX sync command for synchronized working,
Okay.
sequential working. So yes, I think it will take some time
Okay.
because it.
So yeah, for now it's going to build a whole app for your V1 version, and you have just said me that the sync will do in a sequential way.
Sequential. Yes.
So it takes the one action item and build the whole backlog for it, and then it proceed to the development, and it will be in a loop.
Yes.
Okay. So
Until the
okay.
V1 is finished, it will do synchronously. We don't need to give any approve comments, thing like
Okay.
that. So it has the full context. So
Okay.
it will do audit by itself. So
Okay.
we no need to babysit it.
Okay.
So it will take some time. It will take at least an hour to complete the V1 version.
Okay.
So yes, this is how we use our slash command for our development.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's very nice to know, and it's been very productive for learning from you. Yeah, yes, Saifullah. You have walked through me. I mean, you have just given me a spoken learning, like explaining about the slash commands and everything, and
Yes.
also given me a live demo also. Yeah, which is very impressive.
Okay, thank
And
you.
yeah, and still I have just some curious questions like where does it goes wrong? Because we can't assure that everything will be
Yes,
fine, right?
yes, that's a true thing. We need to worry about because even this procedure, many things could go wrong.
Okay.
For example, in a usual development method using an AI agent,
Okay.
I would say AI can sound confident
Okay.
even if it's doing a wrong thing.
Okay.
So you can see at the beginning, it tells you confidently, this is the right one to do, and it is the right one to do, so you just approve it once.
Okay.
On the next time or for the nth time, say prompt. So it will ask you a question like I'm going to do these things,
Okay.
which might be a wrong thing, but it sounds more confident. Okay, this is the right way to do it,
Oh,
and
okay.
you think, okay, this one is the right thing to do it. Oh, okay, Claude is suggesting me that this one is the right thing.
Okay.
You just approve it.
Yeah, correct.
Yes,
Okay.
this one is wrong. And this way it will go wrong. This is where things go wrong.
Okay.
So we need to verify it manually. In each step, we reviewing each PR, we need to manually verifying it. Manually verifying it. So by verifying these things, we can know why exactly it come to this conclusion,
Okay.
and we can ask the cloud itself why you did the feature in this way. So
Okay.
it will explain us what are the problems, and what are the options he got, and why it actually done this that
Okay.
done the way in that part.
Okay.
So I would say this is the first one.
Okay.
So and
So yeah, maybe I can get a clear idea. You
yes,
have been saying that humans, we need human to review it
yes,
because I mean at any time it may goes wrong. I mean it takes its own decision.
yes,
So we need to stick strong in our decision to do the right thing.
yes. If you
Okay.
can't answer the difference, the code changes, then
Okay.
it is completely a misconception. I mean, you if you can't answer why Claude done this, then you are surely going on the wrong track.
Yeah. Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
So you should in each each PR, and each development process, you need to verify the number so that everything goes on the right track.
Okay.
Okay. And for the next second one, I will say the context.
Okay.
If AI don't have one context,
Okay.
it will just hallucinate. For
Okay.
example, if you don't give an idea what it needs to do, and if you let the plot to decide itself, it will
Okay.
just hallucinate. It don't have any business context of yours, so
Okay.
it will come up with its own idea, its trained idea. So it will do thing by itself,
Okay.
which is not expected, right?
Yeah. Correct.
So we need to give a proper context at our about that empty file.
Oh. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, now I get a
Yeah.
clear idea. So we have been giving a ton of context to it to make sure it work on what we expect.
Yes. Right.
Like you have shown in the demo for
Mm.
about.md and backlog action items. Each of all those things are a context to each task and each thing it should need to do.
Yes.
Okay.
And I want to connect another one point,
Okay.
which is splitting up the task.
Okay.
AI can do things well if
Yeah.
you give a small task.
Okay.
For example, if you give a task to, uh, hey, do the rate limiting for this API, it will do 100% sure the right way. But if you give a task like go and change the architecture of a backend system into a whole new different architecture,
Okay.
so it will not do it correctly entire properly,
Okay.
because it is a huge task, right? So we need to split the task into small individual items, like our
Okay.
action items, right?
Okay.
We have written our entire uh, our about.md, and
Yeah.
I split it using action items,
Item.
and
Yeah.
each time each one action item is taken, and our agent will do
One
one
by
and
yeah.
one by one,
Correct.
right? So this is how the development should be. You
Okay.
uh, put it together. We should not give the entire. Uh, I mean, what I mean, entire task into one.
Okay.
So you can split the task and give one by one to the our agent, so you can
Okay.
do it easily.
Okay. So so with these things we can make sure to have a, I mean we don't make the AI to go in a wrong way, so we
Yes,
can prevent it from going doing wrong way. Okay. And yeah, and our the $1 billion question, and I'm so eager about is the cost management.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I need to talk about this cost management
Yeah.
because without a proper cost management, we will get to build a huge amount.
Yeah, correct.
Yes. First thing is you need to understand something called tokens.
Okay.
So everything in our LLM will accept tokens and gives a result as tokens, and
Okay.
it is built accordingly to the tokens.
Okay.
A token is like an word. You can
Okay.
consider it as a word,
Okay.
but it is a whole different topic. It is an embedding model, and it is a whole different topic.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you can take an idea as a token as a word.
Okay.
So every query you ask is a token.
Okay.
For example, you given a question, and it is a 10 token. This
Okay.
10 token is fed to an LLM,
Okay.
and it will generate an output.
Okay.
Let's say it is an 100 word.
Okay. Yeah.
So this 100 word is also a token. So you build for those 100 word plus 10 word. So
Okay.
you build for 110 tokens.
Okay. So the both input and output
Yes.
is considered as tokens. Okay. Yeah. Fine.
Yes, sir. Without a proper management, these token may cost you more.
Okay.
Because, for example, if you're uploading your entire directory, your project directory into a cloud account all at once, you will get a huge amount of token, right?
Okay. As an
Yes,
input.
yes,
Okay.
as an input,
Okay.
and it will need to process those things, and it will generate an again it will generate a huge amount of token back.
Yeah.
So we get more cost usage than using the simple commands.
Yeah. Correct.
So this is where our skills are
Okay.
used in here.
Okay.
These skills are injected only when the uh, contexts are needed.
Okay.
Not these skills are inserted on every prompt, each and every prompt. It will just inserted on the specific prompt only.
Okay.
When the condition is met, if the skills is for the development, for doing development task only, the skills is inserted.
Oh, okay. So I mean, we have been precise in using the skills.
Yes,
Only we use it when we need it,
yes,
not all the time. Okay.
that's exactly. And for doing a minimal task, you don't need to use a higher model.
Okay.
For example, if you just need to rename things, or you need to uh, make the code cleaner,
Yeah.
you can use a minimal model. For
Okay.
example, we have many models in cloud, Opus in different various versions.
Yeah.
So you don't need to do a simple task in the entire model.
Okay.
You can use a least model, and with a least effect.
Like a sonnet or
Yes,
yeah. Okay.
Sonnet. You can use a Sonnet for a simple task. So you can do simple task in the lesson model.
Okay.
So by doing these ways, we can effectively cut the cost.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Now I get a clear idea about how we can manage and how we can prevent from being exploding the cost and tokens. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's look forward. You have been discussed all those things and everything we have discussed so far, and where it going on? I mean, where does it goes in future?
Yes. In my opinion, in future, our work is doing less writing in code. I
Okay.
mean, AI can write the code. AI can do things. What we need to do is directing and verifying. That is the
Okay.
only thing we need to do. Okay,
Okay.
like AI can well good in writing codes,
Okay.
but it has some flaws. We need to fix all those things. So in future, we should be more focusing on directing and verifying the code it is doing, and yeah, this is how the future would be.
Okay. So you have been saying that you're only going to review and verifying all those steps.
Yes.
So it's simply like an higher senior manager, senior
Yes.
engineering architect, or like those. Okay. And yeah, and what we are planning to ship in our upcoming days.
Yes, as you see, we are developing our GainWix a desktop a gaming studio.
Yeah.
It's just a desktop application.
Okay.
In that, we have our many type of workmates. For example, we have our deployment workmates, workmate. Just now we have seen a demo.
Okay.
So in this demo, after that, we use our slash commands to deploy it in our GCP.
Oh,
So
okay.
it is another one workmate. So in the upcoming future, we are planning to release a HR workmate.
Oh, okay. So the HR workmate in the sense training.
Yes,
We
giving
will be
training to
taking a
yes,
course and okay. Oh, yeah.
creating goals, taking a course.
Okay, yeah, that will be an interesting one.
Yes,
Yeah. Okay. Let me try to understand and take three things away. The fun thing is agentic engineering is not about autocomplete. It's about delegating work and doing all those automation steps. And the second thing is absolutely the context you have been said. What the agent need to do and what all the access it has and what tools it can work on, what are the restriction it has. Yeah. The third thing is about being productive.
yes,
Uh, because instead of taking 2-3 months, you have been delivering the product in 3 to 4 weeks with the QA and all those fixing all those bugs and with the complete product,
yes,
not as
absolutely.
a off finished product or
Mm.
with off bug product,
Mm.
as a complete whole product where a user can use it full in a full fledged way.
Yes,
Okay. And
I think you have covered most of the things I have said. You have concluded in a good way.
yeah, thank
Uh,
you.
yes, I appreciate for you.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank you. Yeah, Shaifullah, thank you for coming and we have a high price on you
yes,
for
thanks,
our
everyone.
engineering lead.
Thank you.
And yeah, we have covered everything about agentic engineering and how we do all those stuffs in our work and how we being productive of all those works. And yeah, if you have any doubt or if you have any questions regarding agents or if we are any wrong in any of this part, let us know and feel free to ask any of those things.
Yes, and this was very fun. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing. We will see you next time.